Well, this is our final night here at Rudolf Bennitt. We had one more thing we wanted to cook, and it's a really simple recipe, but it's got a twist. You know, everybody I know of likes garlic cheese grits. I know you do. We found a different way of fixing them where it's a full meal in one pot.
Instead of a side dish, it's the main dish.
It's the main dish.
And it's, of course, like a lot of other ones, it's cooked in one pot. So
yes.
we're going to do it in a
We're actually
cast iron skillet.
We're going to do it in a skillet. It is garlic cheese grits with smoked sausage. So let's get to it.
All right.
Okay, in my skillet I've already got 3 cups of water. I like using seasoned salt for stuff that's savory because it gives your salt a little extra flavor. So we need about a teaspoon of seasoned salt. And we're going to bring that up to a boil. Okay, our water's starting to boil. Now's when I add most of the rest of the ingredients. What happened to the spoon, dear?
Up there it is.
There it is. All right, right at 2 teaspoons garlic. We like ours really garlicky. A little bit more lemon powder. Salt, and our onion.
Onion powder.
Onion powder isn't very powdery, as you can tell. And this winter was not kind on it. I'll stick it in there. It'll dissolve. And then the smoked sausage. I already diced it up. It's plain old everyday ordinary smoked sausage. Now I'm going to give that a quick stir. Oops. Ooh, I smell the garlic already. Now I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of instant grits. I know if you're from the South, you may not like the fact it's instant grits, but it works well in here. Don't have 30 minutes to cook it. Don't need 30 minutes to cook it. Now, you just cook this along for a little while until the grits are coming together and starting to lose some of their water. And then we add the rest of the ingredients. Like I said, it was an easy recipe. Had to move it off the fire. It's cooking a little faster than I thought.
Starting to come together.
Yeah, it is. Okay, here we need to add the rest of the ingredients. All right, you can put either butter or margarine. We used our butter earlier, so I'm putting about 2 tablespoons of margarine in here. Let that melt some of that off of there. About a 1/2 cup of milk. This is evaporated milk. And about, cup or 2 cups, Wade. Which would you rather?
I think it has a cup in it, doesn't it, for this small batch?
Probably.
I think that's right.
I should have had you cut that off for me, hon.
Doing combo cheese, aren't you?
I'm doing
Kobe Jack or?
mild cheddar and Monterey Jack.
And you can use whatever kind you like, really.
Yes.
Whatever combo shredded cheese.
Well,
Lots of options there.
it's adult proof. Well, I'm almost into it, folks. Really need to stir that. All right. I've Hercules my way through there.
Should have pre-opened that before we got on camera,
Yes,
huh?
I guess we should have. Don't want to melt my spoon into my fire. Get down here a little closer with it. Oh, it needs a little more than that. That's not enough cheese. I'm gonna take most of this bag, dear. Looky there, it's almost time to eat. Whew. Oh, that smoke's in my eyes again. It's the only bad thing about cooking over an open fire.
Yeah. Wind changes all the time. You don't know what side to sit on.
Now, you're gonna think, well, there ain't no vegetables in what they're eating tonight for supper. But there is. We got one of them bag salads that you get at the grocery store. I think ours has cheddar in it this time. We like those little bags because we can eat most of it in one setting.
What's in this 4-pack, Angel?
Well, you know, we had those blue pancakes. Well, we're heating a couple of them up with butter. We're not going to put syrup on them. We're going to be like the Boy Scouts. You know, they have when they make a meal, they make everything that's left over. Well, that's the only thing left over from our lunch, or breakfast, brunch. And I can't see. Oh, I gotta move. Whew. Oh, give it
Good.
one more stir. Look at that, nice and good.
Time to dish up, isn't it?
Good. Yes, it is. Like I said, this is an easy meal for your last night camping.
Look at that cheesy, stringy, good-looking
Our
stuff
son
in it.
wouldn't like that very much, now would he?
No, he's not a stringy cheese type of guy.
Nope, he sure's not. Boy, that's not gonna be.
Looking good. And there it is with our
Salad.
sod salad. These salad making kits are really handy for camping, aren't
Oh
they?
yeah, they are.
This is a kit, I don't know what kind it is. Here it is. Sunflower chopped salad. Several different, lots of stuff in it, including crunchies and dressing and some cheese. They're really handy when you're out camping. You gonna sample it real quick? While
Well, we got one more part.
oh, that's right. You haven't got that out of the fire yet.
Guess what? That's hot. I know, kids. That's how it cooks, right? Oh, it's not quite ready yet.
Not done. All right, we'll come back to that. Put it back on the fire for a couple minutes.
Right in the middle. All right. I guess this is mine. Try a little piece. Gotta make sure I get some meat in that. Mmm.
Good stuff in it.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Here, now you try it.
All right. Oh yeah, some cheesy and creamy. Mm-hmm. That's a garlicky flavor.
Mm-hmm.
Cheesy. Good stuff.
Wipe your chin, dear. You got dribbles down your beard.
I'm into my food.
All right. Well, that about does it for this short weekend getaway. We're going to be leaving Rudolf Bennitt tomorrow morning. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and share. And we'll see you next time on Pole House
Block Pots.
Weekend Getaway.
Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video and try these cheesy grits. They're good stuff.
Oh, yeah, they are.
With garlic and smoked sausage. Thanks for enjoying. Oh, thanks for watching us. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.
Bye.